Hello everybody, go to routing and duplicate post request, change to get request, change name route, export and file, change to CSV. Okay, go to our methods and change our methods. Okay, export file CSV filter. Okay, go to name, change export file and CSV. Okay, save and go to our methods. Open our controllers and go to create our methods. Public function, the name export file CSV filter, name methods. Okay. We have a table man hospitals. This is table with data. Okay. Open our methods and create new request from database. The models for table man hospitals, order by name, ask and get functions. Okay. The next we must create name file, file name in this is a file name man hospital CSV. Okay. The next we create in program Excel new file man in hospital CSV. Okay. In this table we save first we save this table. This table we save my desktop. Okay, copy name and paste. Okay, in this file we must add column with our database. Name, date income, date, expiry statement, descriptions, and create add. Okay. The next save as this PC, okay, my desktop, and save format file CSV. Yes. Okay. Close my program. Okay. 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 We create a file CSV and add a column with the database. The next we must send file in folder CSV, create folder CSV, and add a file with my desktop. Okay. Okay. We add a file in folder CSV. Okay. The next we must add new records in our table. Fill our database with data. This is test data. Okay, create. Save and create it. Okay, save. Okay, and create new records. Add test 2. Okay, duplicate and pasta, duplicate. Okay, duplicate. Change to duplicate and change hasting. Change 19 and change 27. Okay, save. Okay, we add 2 records. Open our file CSV and we have empty column. It's okay. Okay, go to our methods and patch to file. In this we must add patch full patch. This is my full patch to file CSV. So next we create handle f open and patch to file, our file. Okay, and we plus. Okay, f path CSV handle and we add array with our CSV file. We have a name column add in our array. Okay, the first name, next second is a date income. Okay. Next is a date statement. Okay. Next descriptions. Okay. And create it. Okay. Save. After when we take man, we must for each this is records. Okay. In this array we must add a column with database item name, and this is K, and item name. Okay. This date income, date statement. Okay, descriptions. And create it. Okay, save. And F close. Handle. Header, we add array, content type application CSV, text CSV, and return response to was. This is for the was file. Path to file, header, and header. Okay. go to our browser and wrote prefix admin mans and wrote get export CSV. Okay. If open doesn't can, we must add full patch. Go to our methods and in file to patch to file change full. We have new error. This error because in our array we have k create k is this bad formats for array. Okay. We have a CSV file. This our data with database. Okay, it's finished.